How to load/edit/run/save text files .py into an IPython notebook cell. I've recently moved over to using IPython notebooks as part of my workflow. However, I've not been successful in finding a way to import .py files into the individual cells of an open IPython notebook so that they can edit it, run and then saved. Can this be done? I've found this in the documentation which tells me how to import .py files as new notebooks, but this falls short of what I want to achieve. Any suggestions would be much appreciated.
Edit. Starting from IPython 3, now Jupyter project, the notebook has a text editor that can be used as a more convenient alternative to load/edit/save text files. A text file can be loaded in a notebook cell with the magic command %load. If you execute a cell containing the content of filename.py will be loaded in the next cell. You can edit and execute it as usual. To save the cell content back into a file, add the cell magic %write file filename.py at the beginning of the cell and run it. Beware that if a file with the same name already exists, it will be silently overwritten. To see the help for any magic command, add a question mark, like %load or %write file ? For general help on magic functions, type %magic. For a list of the available magic functions, use %listmagic. For a description of any of them, type %magic_name. For example, %cd. See also, magic functions from the official IPython docs.
To write/save. %write file myfile.py. Write/save cell contents into myfile.py, use A to append. Another alias, %file myfile.py. To run. %run myfile.py. Run myfile.py and output results in the current cell. To load/import. %load myfile.py. Load import myfile.py into the current cell. For more magic and help, %listmagic. List all the other cool cell magic commands. %command name ? For help on how to use a certain command, i.e., %run ? Note: beside the cell magic commands, IPython Notebook, now Jupyter Notebook, is so cool that it allows you to use any Unix command right from the cell. This is also equivalent to using the %bash cell magic command. To run a Unix command from the cell, just precede your command with mark. For example, !Python version, see your Python version. !Python myfile.py, run myfile.py and output results in the current cell, just like %run, see the difference between Python and %run in the comments below. Also, see this in viewer for further explanation with examples.
Drag and drop a Python file in the IPython Notebooks Home Notebooks table, click Upload. This will create a new notebook with only one cell containing your .py file content. Else copy/paste from your favorite editor Smile.
I have found it satisfactory to use ls and cd within IPython Notebook to find the file. Then type cat your _file_name into the cell, and you'll get back the contents of the file, which you can then paste into the cell as code.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.